Hey everybody, my name is Steve Groenick. We're here in Las Vegas for LS Fest West 2023. I brought my 1973 Toyota Celica. I've had the car for 13 years. I rescued out of a farmer's field where it had been parked for 27 years. And it's gone through a few iterations. Now it's a full tube chassis 25.2 cert, and it's been a lot of fun. I'm running basically all Holley electronics. It's got a 388 Turbo LS with a precision 98mm XPR turbo. Power glide, fabricated 9-inch. So far, current best is 462 at 158 1/8. It's been 7.0 at 198 1/4. It's been a best of a 108 60-foot. It's got a full Holley Dominator system in it. Holley smart coils, pretty much every sensor you can think of. Got to have the data to make it go quick. Built it all myself, all the sheet metal fabrication, all the roll cage fabrication, everything. It's been a lot of fun. So here at LS Fest West, the fastest class is a 550 index, so we went into grudge test and tune. I'm a heads-up racer, I don't really want to slow it down. So we're going to shoot for the Sweet 16 and hopefully pull out a trophy and then come back next year.